Hello, I'm Lydia Sarfati, president and founder of Repechage. Maybe many of you don't know, but the whole thing started with the 4-layer facial, the iconic facial that has really truly revolutionized the professional skincare industry in USA and globally. The 4-layer facial, when I first launched it, it was truly a second chance for men and women to have a beautiful, healthy, wrinkle-free and glowing skin. And 38 years later, it's still the #1 professional facial treatment. It is going to provide you each and every time 60 minutes or less with just the perfect skin. The 4-layer facial has been praised by both Vogue, Cosmopolitan UK, all of the magazines, New York Times. It's been featured on the Today Show. It is truly an iconic treatment. This fall, just like every fall season, we offer this beautiful, perfect facial treatment at a very special promotional price. So don't forget to call your authorized sales representative at our toll-free number 1-800-248-SKIN. But it doesn't just end there. For those clients who don't have perhaps time for a complete 1-hour facial, we have Seaweed Treatment. Seaweed Treatment is a 30 minutes. It is your facial on the go. 30 minutes to beautiful hydration. And I know everyone tried to be good this summer and put sunscreen and really take care of themselves. But you know what? Just in case if you didn't, here is your solution. So 30 minutes, a marvelous exfoliation, wonderful facial massage, and a seaweed mask. And of course, the iconic 4-layer facial treatment. What I always have believed in 1980 and today is that perfect, gorgeous, beautiful skin starts with not only having professional facials in the salon or spa, but it also daily care. And with this belief, we have created a very safe uni-dose facial exfoliation called Repechage. It's a 14-day program that will truly take away all of the sun damage and reveal a beautiful glowing skin. So what's here? Alpha hydroxy acid, fruit acid, marine hydroxy acid in a balanced pH of 3.5 with a total safe percentage of total acids at 8%. So it's safe, very effective. It will take away fine lines and wrinkles and uneven skin tone. 14 days to beautiful complexion. Once you use the Repechage, you want to follow up with, again, I say iconic C-Serum and the Hydro Complex. When I say iconic, we had C-Serum before C-Serum even was popular. What you want to know is the C-Serum is pure laminaria digitata, rich in amino acids, 18 amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, 12 vitamins that repair the smallest deficiencies in the skin, and 42 trace elements and minerals. It is like your multivitamin for your face. Use it daily, morning and night, and follow up with the Hydro Complex. Hydro Complex comes both in dry and oily combination skin. So here is your Repechage secrets to beautiful complexion, your second chance this fall to restore, rebuild, renew, and have a youthful looking, glowing skin. Welcome to Repechage, Beauty from the Sea, and don't forget to call us at 1-800-248-SKIN, and thank you for watching.